Imagine a roller coaster hanging perfectly still for a second at the very top of a massive hill. It seems motionless, but it's packed with a hidden power. This is potential energy, stored energy, just waiting to be unleashed. It's the energy in a stretched rubber band, the power in a battery, or, in this case, the gravitational potential gained by lifting the car high into the air. Then it drops. That stored potential energy instantly begins transforming into kinetic energy, the energy of pure motion. The higher the hill, the more potential energy was stored, and the faster the coaster rockets down the track, as that energy converts into raw speed. This kinetic energy depends on an object's mass and its velocity. But here's the crucial part. Velocity is squared in the equation. This means doubling your speed doesn't just double the impact, it quadruples it. It's the reason a car crash at 100 kilometers per hour is catastrophically worse than one at 50. This constant exchange is governed by one of the most fundamental rules of the universe, the law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it only changes form. Think of an apple falling from a tree. At the top of the branch, while it's still, it's loaded with gravitational potential energy. As it falls, that potential energy steadily converts into kinetic energy, causing it to accelerate. The moment before it hits the ground, nearly all that potential energy has become kinetic, giving the apple its maximum speed. This perpetual dance between stored potential and active kinetic energy isn't just physics homework. It is the engine of our world, driving everything from a bouncing ball to the orbits of the planets. Energy is never lost, only transformed, powering the universe in a constant, unbroken cycle.